The live in connector allows you to put the power feed into the end of the track. These contacts make contact with the power rails inside the track. Essentially, you insert it into the track with some degree of force, like that. Unscrew the plastic cap. Your wire is going to come in through the knockout. Just knock out this circle from the ceiling. Attach your connector. Wires through here to ground the live and the neutral, and put the cap back on. You have power feed to the end of the track. This is called the live end connector. You do not need a junction box behind this connector because this connector itself is the junction box, UL approved. To learn more about our product line and more information about LED lighting and the applications, please visit our website at lumicrest.com and give us a call. We are very happy to help you with your LED lighting and answer any of your questions.